golden rule. Style is not about expensive clothes and confidence is not about perfection. Hi my girlies, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new here, hello, I am Ria and I make content on makeup, lifestyle and fashion. So if you're someone who wants to look more stylish and feel confident but don't know where to start, then you are watching the right video. Neatness is must. Girlies, there is a myth that more expensive clothes, more confidence. No, you don't need expensive clothes to look good. Just make sure your clothes are clean, wrinkle-free and well-fitted. Trust me, neatness can make even simple outfits look classy. So what will you do from now on? Wash your clothes weekly, then iron your clothes, and a day before plan what to wear the other day. Trust me, you will be sorted. Make a simple wardrobe. Instead of buying too many trendy clothes, start with basics or your favorite ones. All you need is few plain tops, good fitted jeans and few basic color dresses. Trust me, mix and match is your best friend. Dress up according to your body shape. See, not every trend is for everyone and that's totally cool. Focus on what suits you best. I personally know my style, so always pick clothes according to the occasion. Example, at home I want comfy and loose clothes. Similarly, in office, I prefer well-fitted clothes that make me confident. So don't get confused, understand your choice and make best out of it. Don't worry, eventually you will also figure it out. Which color suits you best? Okay, so open your wardrobe and give some time in understanding which color looks good on you. In which clothes you get more compliments, those that make your skin brighter, and then make them your primary colors and stick to them. This small trick will instantly make your outfits look more put together. Minimal makeup is the new trend. What I learned from my past years, there is no need to over makeup on a daily basis. Just do skincare, which includes face wash, toner, serum according to your skin type, hydrating moisturizer and a sunscreen. That's all. And for makeup, just do primer, tinted foundation or a concealer for hiding pigmentation, and set your eyebrows, some blush on cheeks and eyelids, and lastly a good lip balm or lipstick. Trust me, that way you will look more satisfied and confident. Hair matters. I think for me, hair can change your entire look. So keep your hair clean and simple. Make a neat pony or bun or just open hair. Just remember, neat hair is equals to instant glow up. Accessorize well. Never do with your accessories. Just a minimalism is the new trend. Add small details like a watch, basic simple earrings or a classic bag. That's all you need to accessorize. Body language. Now let's talk about confidence. There are the basic things which we forget on a daily basis, like stand straight, walk slowly. Whenever you are talking to someone, make eye contact. These little things show how you carry yourself. Communication skills. This is not about in which language you are talking. It's the basic thing which everyone knows but don't apply. That is, speak clearly and don't rush your words. It is as simple as that. And be a good listener first, and if you want to build confidence in speaking, just go in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. That's it. Build inner confidence. Stop comparing yourself with others. Focus on improving yourself every day. Even small progress matters, my girl. Last but not the least, self-care. Maintain a good hygiene. Drink water, sleep well, and most importantly, take care of your body. When you feel good inside, it shows outside. See, you don't need to be perfect to be confident. Start small, stay consistent, and you will see the difference. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below what type of content you want next in my videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.